Welcome back, guys. Today is Canada Day, and normally in Canada Day it's pretty festive, but you know, unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to spend all of Canada Day with my wife today because I gotta go to work, right? So yeah, that's just the messed up part, but never guess what. I think some of my guys at work are gonna want to go and visit the parade, so I think I'm gonna get some clippings for y'all, and yeah, babe probably go and watch the fireworks with her friends and so forth, so stay tuned for that. What you gotta say, Queen?
So yeah, I just want to say happy Thanksgiving. Merry Christmas. No, happy Canada Day, guys.
Happy Canada Day.
Happy
Yeah,
Canada Day
yeah.
from Akeen and Jen. We're in Campbell River. We live on Vancouver Island, British Columbia in Canada. So yeah, so I just want to say happy Canada Day and hope you enjoy the vlog. Yeah.
Stay tuned for it. Remember, guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn that notification bell on so you get all the necessary upload. Peace out, guys. China, there's some old vehicles, you know what I mean? Canada preserve things. Where they find parts for them, I don't know, but we use a couple of ways. This is it, guys. You guys know these cars? Comment them down in the comment section, guys. Yeah, I'm pretty young, I don't know these. They're pretty cool, right? Look at this. Oh my god, he dropped this so low. Come on, man. Damn, look at that. It's really a vibe. Kids them out. So much people come out to see the celebration. Don't wait, man. Right, so this is my company and I'm pass through. Yeah, got to love it. That's my company there, River City. Hello, my friend. Some sweets, I'd have some sweets. Can I have some sweets?
Hey, you better have one of those.
Of course, yeah. Thank you, guys.
See you later.
All right. For the next work for them. That's why work, come on, it's so work for nice, you know? my guys them doesn't want any trees. No trees. They need sweets though. You guys got candy, but no trees. Thank you. at that. Alright. Thank you for that. Candy. Full of candy, guys. See that? Nobody's been left out. Even the kids celebrate. Even the people in wheelchair. There's nobody been left out, man. Isn't that amazing? Never too old to represent. These are elderly men.
Look at the people all out for the fireworks. Keena's at work, so I'm here with my friend Sharon. And the fireworks are going to be over here, but they just didn't start yet. They wait till it's dark, but there's so many people. And this is only one area. There's like many areas where people are gathered like this. Everybody comes out to watch the fireworks for Canada Day. So stay tuned. I will make sure I get a video of them when they start. Hope everyone's having a blessed day. Happy Canada Day. Everybody's all gathered, and this is the cruise ship that's going to Alaska. So they pass by. We get every day there's cruise ships that pass by here. So the fireworks will be over there somewhere, but it's still not dark enough yet, I don't think. It's gonna probably be a bit longer yet. There's so many people out. When me and Akeen first met and we lived next door to each other, we had a view of these. We used to watch them every night. I used to love watching the cruise ships. be on the ferry while that's going on. There we go. So that's it, guys. Canada Day in Campbell River. So hope you guys all have a great night, a great week. God bless you. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to be reminded or notified when we upload new videos. God, keep our land. We stand on God for thee. Thanks again for watching, guys. Good night and God bless. Here are some memories from last year. Happy Canada Day.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?